Hi everyone! In today's video I'm just using another dollar store find. This is just some eye makeup, and I wanted to use the eyelash brush to see what kind of design it would make. I bought this one in particular because the mascara brush is not already in the bottle, so I don't need to clean off the makeup. So this is just something, I'll save that and use it, but it's just a little mascara brush. It's really nice and fine, but with it being in kind of that roller pattern, I wanted to see what kind of pattern I could do on my papers. So I have some white and some gold paint, and I think I'm just going to start out with my white and see. I feel like it's going to be a little thick, so I'm going to try and wipe off some of the paint, but I think this might make a nice design. And then, I mean, with the handle, I don't know how well it's going to do, but this might be a really fun way to add and blend some paint. So I think my not adding a ton of paint, it's getting a really nice coat on here, and you could just make some really nice texture with this shape. So I think for a background, depending on what you're doing for background colors, you could make some really pretty designs. But I like how it's, you know, depending on how hard you push, you get more paint in some areas and then lighter coats in other areas. So I'm going to set that one aside. I'm debating on, I think I'm going to do some more white on part of this and then maybe some gold just to see what that gold looks like. But I'm just going to It also reminds me of one of my first videos. I took a dry paintbrush and did some backgrounds with the dry paintbrush, and that's what it reminds me of. You get just that really nice texture. You're not getting, I call it a more organic or a rough look to it. Weathered is a good way to put it. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one as is. I do have another black one, and I'm going to just wipe off my mascara brush and do some gold. I think some gold on one of these would look really pretty, but that weathered look on the black background also looks nice in the white. So I will rinse this off and be right back. All right. All right, so I'm gonna leave that one, that gold, again, just getting that really rough coat on there worked out really nice. So just a slightly different item. It's a little awkward with this. I could almost see like cutting it and just using that part of the brush or attaching it to another paintbrush, but it creates just some really nice textured looks to the backgrounds. So that's definitely going to be one that I use. One of the things that I really like is the areas where my black was really thin and you can see the book pages. That gold just pops in those areas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you tomorrow.